sticky. Help keep it from rusting, maybe. That's that. Now while I'm under here, I see a ground cable on the other side that's broken off. Yeah, right there. A 10mm. What size is this one? Got PV blaster. Alright, looks like a 10 here. Let me get a flashlight and show you what's going on. There, this ground cable's supposed to be hooked over there to the transmission. But it's broke, so you need a 10mm to get that off. So I'll be back. This right there is a 10. Move it over here where you can. Yeah. Alright, that one's off. Let's see this other one right here. I'll bring you back here so you can see what's going on up in here. Going on up in here. Right there. There it is. Right there. It looks like it's 13. Oh, 15, I'm sorry. Right there. It's just holding the, looks like it's just holding the muffler, the exhaust mount. Wonder how hard these will come off. Wasn't too bad. Let's get that. Take that off of there. There's that one. Make up a ground strap here. Let's see what we got up in here. Find one that size. That one looks close. Right there. And then one for the 10mm. Let me look at that bolt. Yep, that'll work. Alright, so we got that. Nice to find a piece of 12 inch. Hold on, man, I'll find a piece of bigger wire. Alright, I'm back. I found a piece of 10 gauge. That'll work. right back and we'll see how it looks longer than it. Alright, take her out. Cut that dude off right there. Strip her down. Little crimpy crimp. Alright, there we go. Let's go put this dude in. Oh, need to sand that up first. Get the grinder out. Alright, chia. Put 8 grit on there. Put it out here and sand that. Sand that body. Going right here. Put this little die grinder up in there. So we'll put this up over there. Like that. My glove ripped on me. Trying to keep it away from that exhaust. Stick that dude right there. There's that. Now the transmission has got a ground on it again. I don't think it was causing any problems, but I know with these computerized cars, they don't like not having their grounds. So that's fixed. That's fixed. Alright, well, that's it. That's it for this video. Oh, well, until the next one. Y'all keep it real and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And see you in the next video. Take care. Later. Bye.